The natural world is full of wonders. We share our planet with a staggering array of creatures, both large and small. Yet, some animals exist on the fringes of our understanding, lurking in the shadows of myth and legend. These are the cryptids, animals whose existence is suggested but not confirmed by mainstream science. Cryptozoology, the study of these hidden animals, might seem like a pursuit for the eccentric. However, it speaks to a fundamental human desire, the need to explore the unknown. From the depths of the oceans to the highest mountain peaks, the possibility of undiscovered life ignites our imagination. The pursuit of cryptids is a journey into the heart of mystery. It is a quest driven by eyewitness accounts, blurry photographs, and tantalizing footprints. While scientific evidence often remains elusive, the enduring fascination with these creatures raises intriguing questions about the limits of our knowledge and the unexplored corners of our planet. Could some of these legendary beings be real? Join us as we delve into the world of cryptozoology and examine the evidence surrounding some of the most famous cryptids. In the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest of North America, a legend stalks the shadows. Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, is perhaps the most iconic cryptid in the world. This large, ape-like creature is said to roam the wilderness, leaving behind massive footprints and fleeting glimpses of its imposing form. Eyewitness accounts of Bigfoot date back centuries, often originating from the folklore of indigenous peoples. Modern sightings, accompanied by grainy photographs and shaky videos, have fueled the mystery. Some researchers point to these accounts as evidence of a surviving population of Gigantopithecus, a giant ape believed to have gone extinct thousands of years ago. However, mainstream science remains skeptical. Critics argue that the evidence for Bigfoot is largely anecdotal and can be attributed to misidentification, hoaxes, or the human tendency to see patterns in random data. Footprints, they claim, can be easily faked, and the lack of clear photographic or video evidence casts doubt on the creature's existence. Despite the skepticism, the search for Bigfoot continues. Dedicated researchers and amateur enthusiasts alike venture into the wilderness, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive creature and prove, once and for all, that this legend is a living, breathing reality. In the heart of the Scottish Highlands lies Loch Ness, a deep freshwater lake shrouded in mist and mystery. This iconic body of water is said to be home to Nessie, the Loch Ness monster, a creature that has captivated the world for decades. Descriptions of Nessie vary, but she is often depicted as a long-necked creature with one or more humps breaking the surface of the water. The first modern sighting occurred in 1933, sparking a wave of public fascination and launching countless expeditions to uncover the truth behind the legend. Over the years, there have been numerous attempts to explain the sightings. Some theories suggest Nessie could be a plesiosaur, a long-necked marine reptile thought to have gone extinct millions of years ago. Others propose giant eels, sturgeons, or even wakes caused by unusual wind patterns as more plausible explanations. Despite extensive sonar surveys and underwater explorations, conclusive evidence of Nessie's existence remains elusive. Some argue that the sheer volume of sightings over the years warrants further investigation. Others believe that the legend is perpetuated by a combination of folklore, tourism, and the human desire to believe in the extraordinary. Whether Nessie is a real creature or a product of our collective imagination, the mystery of Loch Ness continues to draw visitors from around the world, eager to catch a glimpse of the elusive monster and unravel the secrets of the deep. From the shadowy realm of Latin American folklore emerges the chupacabra, a creature as terrifying as its name suggests. Meaning goat sucker in Spanish, this cryptid is said to prey on livestock, draining its victims of blood in a gruesome manner. Reports of the chupacabra first surfaced in Puerto Rico in the mid-1990s, spreading rapidly throughout the Caribbean and into the Americas. Eyewitness accounts often describe a hairless, spiky-backed creature with sharp claws and glowing red eyes. The creature's appearance is as varied as the accounts themselves, with some describing a canine-like form and others reporting a more reptilian or even kangaroo-like physique. The lack of a consistent description has fueled speculation about the chupacabra's true nature. Some researchers believe the creature could be a type of unidentified canine, perhaps a hairless dog or coyote suffering from mange. Others point to the possibility of escaped or released exotic animals, their appearances distorted by darkness and fear. Despite the lack of definitive evidence, the chupacabra continues to inspire fear and fascination. Its gruesome feeding habits and elusive nature tap into primal fears of the unknown, while its rapid spread across geographical boundaries raises intriguing questions about the interconnectedness of folklore and the human imagination. High in the unforgiving peaks of the Himalayas, another legend endures. The Yeti, also known as the Abominable Snowman, is a creature of myth and mystery said to roam the snow-covered slopes of the world's highest mountain range. For centuries, the Yeti has held a prominent place in the folklore and mythology of the people of the Himalayas. Described as a large, ape-like creature covered in hair, the Yeti is often portrayed as a powerful and enigmatic being, both feared and revered by those who believe in its existence. Evidence for the Yeti's existence is largely anecdotal, consisting primarily of eyewitness accounts from climbers and local villagers. Footprints in the snow, often attributed to the creature, have been photographed and studied, but their origins remain a subject of debate. Some researchers believe the Yeti could be a surviving species of Gigantopithecus, while others suggest it may be a type of unidentified bear or primate. Despite numerous expeditions and scientific investigations, conclusive evidence of the Yeti remains elusive. The creature's remote habitat and the harsh conditions of the Himalayas make studying it a daunting task. However, the enduring legend of the Yeti continues to inspire adventurers and researchers alike, reminding us that there are still mysteries to be solved in the world's most remote and unforgiving landscapes.